Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you on how to activate your Gigwalk gig worker account so you can start working local gigs right away. Follow these simple steps to get started on your journey to earning extra income with Gigwalk. Step 1. Download the Gigwalk app. The first step to activating your Gigwalk account is to download the Gigwalk app. You can find it in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Simply search for Gigwalk and press the install button. Step 2. Create your account. Once the app is installed, open it to start the account creation process. You'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and provide some basic personal information, such as your name and phone number. Make sure to choose a password that is secure but easy for you to remember. Step 3. Verify your email. After entering your details, check your email for a verification link from Gigwalk. Click on the link to verify your email address. This step is crucial as it confirms your identity and activates your account. Step 4. Complete your profile. Return to the Gigwalk app and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, complete your profile by adding information like your zip code, skills, and work preferences. A complete profile increases your chances of getting selected for gigs. Step 5. Set your payment method. To get paid for your gigs, you'll need to set up your payment method. Navigate to the payment section in your profile settings. You can usually choose between direct bank transfers or payment through services like PayPal. Step 6. Browse available gigs. With your account activated, you can start exploring available gigs. Check the app regularly to find gigs near your location that match your skills and interests. Gigs may range from checking store displays to participating in surveys. Step 7. Apply for gigs. Once you find a gig that you're interested in, click on it for more details. If it aligns with your schedule and abilities, press the Apply button. Make sure to follow any specific instructions given in the gig description. Step 8. Complete the gig. After you're accepted for a gig, follow the instructions provided and complete the task within the given time frame. Be sure to maintain quality and professionalism to ensure you receive positive feedback. Step 9. Submit your work. After completing the gig, you'll need to submit any required documentation or evidence of your work. This could be photos, answers to questions, or other proof that you've completed the task. Step 10. Get paid. Once your work is reviewed and approved, you'll receive your payment based on the payment method you set up earlier. Payment is typically processed within a few days. Now you're all set to start working on Gigwalk and chasing those local gigs. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy gigging!